Greetings, friends. It's Joe with JoeDoesSolar.com. Why am I standing next to a dumpster? Well, because today we're going to cover a topic that many of you have been asking me to cover. What to know before going solar in Florida. So you don't do this. Glad to be out of there. All right, first, I can't stress enough how critical these 6 topics are in determining your project's outcome. Number 1, roof age and condition. Your roof should be less than 10 years old with no shading from trees or structures. It may not even be your trees, could be your neighbor's trees. Keep an eye on that. Take a look at it different times of the year as well, because they can change quite a bit. Number 2, if you live near the coast, check with your insurance carrier so you know what to expect. Solar sales folks are trained not to talk about insurance or any other hidden costs, as it gives you pause and will most likely prevent you from signing right after their little sales pitch. Number 3, if you have FP&L or Duke, you're fine. You're on net metering, no concerns. If you don't, you might want my help in discovering the truth. Number 4, the quality of your solar contractor. I'd not do business with anybody that hasn't been in business for at least 5 years. And by the way, you really need to check the Google reviews. Read them with a grain of salt and check the BBB reviews as well. You can go to sunbiz.org to look up businesses, who owns it, how long they've been in business, and whether the sales rep is telling you a lie, like we've been in business for 10 years and they've really been in business for 3 and 7 of those have been in another state. Number 5, your rep. Many of them know lots of things you don't, and conveniently and unethically choose not to divulge those things that would stop a project in its tracks. Unfortunately, the vast majority of solar reps are very new and they aren't even sure of these concerns themselves. Make sure you understand how the solar tax credit works. IRS 5695. Thousands of people have been burned to the tune of $10,000 to $20,000 on not fully understanding the tax credit. So make sure that you understand that one. For more tips in maximizing your project, click the link in the description below for our no BS solar assessment. Or just call or text me. I'll answer all of your questions truthfully. My consultations are always free. Here to help.